Welcome back to my studio. I'm Yvette Mecca. Let's go.
You're listening to Soap Radio. You're listening to Soap Radio. You're listening to Soap Radio.
All done. This is the aftermath of that flippity flop of an idea that I had. It was great in my head, but I know me, I don't even know why I did that. Trial and error, because I ended up having a whole new or totally different daily journal. But yeah, it felt good and sounded good. So we have combined that front and back cover, which left me with 2 signatures, believe it or not, that are both 8 pages. Both 8 pages, but one contains more cardstock images than the other. That's the trick. What makes it bulky and what doesn't. The 2 outside panels. So I can essentially make a whole nother journal with these 2. With these 2 panels, these 2 signatures, I can make 1 complete signature or 2 single signatures. But you see how that turned out for me, right? This chunky monkey being held together. She don't mind. She got her a pretty green bow. Let's open her up. Oh, let me show you the spine. So I just covered the spine with some additional fabrics. And it also is adhering my ribbon. So that going on. I think I want to add a journal plate, but I'm not sure. So there's the inside, the beginning. I'm seeing it for the first time. And the inside, opening it up after it's been sitting to dry from the from the spine that I put that piece on there in the ribbon. Anywho. So yeah, this is the situation. So, yep, look how she flow. Nice. Nice. Oh, pretty. And that, my dear, is our completion and transformation of the December daily prompt journal. Voila.